Bored with wonton soup? Make this wonton pad thai instead. It's yummy, it's savory and a little bit spicy. It will blow your mind. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erwina and today I'm going to show you how to make this super delicious chicken pad thai in a different way, and it's surprisingly super easy to make. So this stir-fry wonton pad thai, or should we call it dumpling stir-fry, is one of the current food trends in Indonesia, and it's very easy and quick to make. Curious how is this made? Keep on watching. First, we are going to prepare the vegetable. You will need choy sam, or you can use bok choy, kale, bell pepper or any vegetable you like, and we will need mung bean sprout. So instead of using normal noodles, today we are going to use wonton wrappers, just like you are going to make wonton soup. And we'll make the dumplings from scratch, but you can use store-bought dumplings too. So to make the dumplings filling, you will need ground chicken or pork. You can also add shrimp, and make sure save some for cooking later. And then you will need 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon sugar, half teaspoon white pepper, and 1 teaspoon mushroom powder or chicken powder. And then add 1 teaspoon soy sauce and 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. Add 1 egg, then add 3 tablespoons tapioca flour or corn flour. After this is well mixed and smooth, we will make the dumplings. To make dumpling is very easy, and it's up to you how you do it. You can just fold it in half, or you can make it fancy like mine. The easy way is to simply fold and put the ends together, just like this. And the trick here is not to add too much filling, as the dumpling may leak, and also the thickness of dumpling wrappers will affect its flavors. Okay, that looks good. It's super easy, right? Now let's make again. Okay, that's enough. So let's cook this yumminess. So we will use about 8 to 10 dumplings per serving. First, boil some water. Make sure you have enough water to boil the dumplings. Now, using my super duper brand new Chinese wok, let's get cooking. For the stir fry, we will need garlic. But of course, you can add onion, a green onion or shallot. Then add egg, leftover ground chicken or pork or shrimp, or you don't need to add any meat at all. For the seasoning, add salt, white pepper, mushroom powder, oyster sauce and sweet soy sauce. And if you like, you can add some fish sauce also. Now let's check the dumplings. Cook until the dumplings float to the top, and make sure everything's cooked perfectly but not too long. I would say about 3 minutes. Then, when the dumplings are cooked, toss them in and add chili, then the vegetables and green onion. And don't forget to taste it. The smell is so delicious. I just cannot wait to taste. And make sure not to cook the veggies too long, so you still have the al dente texture. Mix well and turn off the heat. It smells so good. I cannot wait to taste it. look at that. This is good. It's so good. I love how the wonton is really soft and silky. It's kind of melts away. And then it hits you with this tangy spicy flavor. The whole thing is literally going to blow your mind. Alright, it's a wrap. I hope you will give a try this pad thai recipe and I hope you will like it as I do. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.